Should we do the 1 cent or the 2 cents?
It's the same thing?
Yeah. Fill them up. Nice. Bring it down. Nice lineup. Should be like 27 bucks. Yeah, yeah. Alright, let's get these little pops. I don't even know what I did there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at, I touched it.
$17.50 pen.
Yes, babe. I accidentally, oh my god. And we got it. I did like 2 or 3 hits like that. Go hit that shit. I don't even know what I did right there. Oh my god. I'm like, wait, didn't I just hit a light up?
The big one, big one. Here we go. Add them up, baby. Add that shit up.
Okay, look at that.
Here we go, big one. Here we go.
Line up, line up. $100 or more, I don't even know. Oh my god, you guys. I like, my thumb hit the 10 as I was gonna go to play.
Here we go, big one. Another big one.
Pop that little pop. Pop it!
No freaking, no red. Here we go, here we go.
That's what I'm talking about.
Here we go, red. Big one, red.
Wow.
Yeah. That's gonna be a handpay.
Oh my god. Are we going home already? We just got here.
I hope so.
This was the best mistake ever. Wow. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, sorry, Robin. I think we're going home.
Under, see under.
That's a handpay. What? Good morning.